Hi, I'm Rich with New Life Scientific, and today we got something new in that we've never actually had before, and we picked these up at a facility closure, and I really like these, and I just thought I'm going to just shoot a video of them, just straightforward, American-made company. And this is the Nordson E5. It's a liquid dispensing robotic system that comes with software and also the metering device that came with it. I just thought I'd cover a little bit about the platform on this one. The E5, it means it's got 500 millimeters or about 20 by 20 working platform, which is really large footprint to really do a lot of dispensing. But these are used in the manufacturing industry a lot of times. Or in, for us, we thought it worked great for laboratory settings, specifically around, maybe vial filling. We do a lot of freeze dryers, and we have had customers in the past want a quick way to fill their vials. So we thought, well, we'll get one of these in and try it out. So we were pretty happy with it. We're not so sure that this particular dispenser will work for vial filling, but this one is specifically set up for more in the glue applicator, where you'd actually put in a syringe up here, and then you plug in the hose into the syringe, and then it just pushes air into the syringe to actually applicate your glue. And I think that's what it was set up for. But it does work really good. We have the software over here that is basically built into the computer there. So just a really easy software. And you can see over here on the right, it has more to do with your dispensing. So you can actually do drops or more dispensing. You can do your line starts and your line stops over here, and you can put it all into command where your line start would actually turn on the dispenser and then dispense while it's actually moving into that position. So it's just a pretty straightforward software where you can position with the arrows here. You got your X, Y, Z positions, and then you got your fast, middle, and slow that you can kind of move towards if you want to, move the arm quicker. And you can look over here. I can just click, and then, moving it in the fast position, I can move it where I want it really quick and kind of zero in. Say if I got this, loaded with a bunch of vials, and I wanted to set up, where I want to dispense at, and I come down and I say, okay, I want to dispense at that, that particular position, and I would just lock that in, and then I would move it to the next one. So just a real straightforward. And then up here, I would hit the dispense button at that point to actually put it in the command center. So I'm not going to go into a lot of detail on this software, but just to show you that this works really great and can be used for a lot of different applications throughout the industry. But like I said, it's a really nice machine. I think it's a 2019. Very hard to find these units used on the marketplace, but we got a few of them in, and we thought we'd shoot this video and just give a quick demo of how it works. And there is actually a program that came with it, so I'm just going to go ahead and run that program that's with it. And one nice thing about this machine too, once you have the program like this one is right here, and you have it set up, and you have an operator over at the machine that just puts your item in, and then wants to just run the program, and they don't want to come back to the computer, they can simply just hit the start button, and it'll just run the program and then go back to the end position. You could unload your product, stick your product back in it, and hit start again. So we're just going to go ahead and just watch it run that program right there. And you can hear the dispensing going on right here. And I just, like I said, it blows air into your syringe and pressurizes the syringe enough to put down your glue, I think is what they were doing on this one. and then it just ends the program there, and then you would just unload that one, load another one in, and then dispense again by just hitting the start button again. And that easy. So like I said, Nordson, it's the E5 model. We also have some E3s available too that if you're interested in any of these, you can give us a call here at New Life Scientific.